So, I don't like the way the substrate looks. What I want to do is, some of it came up. You see this? I'll give you a good idea what I'm talking about. Now, if I hang my wall covering over this, we're gonna see this. We're missing a layer right there. Can you see that? Okay, so let's fix that. Why does it happen? It's usually from poor preparation. When it's not poor preparation, sometimes if you're using a quality primer, you're going over a surface that's not sound. It's not stable. So you could use the best protection on the wall. And you could be, it's like building a house on sand, same idea. It's like you did a great job with the building, but the foundation had sand under it. And unless you penetrated the surface above which you were building the home, you wouldn't know. So don't let it happen to you. And if it does, that's how you fix it. Okay, let's clean this up and seal this. I'm just taking a damp sponge. I want to get any dust off of my wall covering and any dust off of the surface. This is just damp. Because we'll have that very situation like building the house on sand again unless we get this loose material off. That's all we're doing. Just resealing that surface. Okay? With a thin layer of KILz. This way we know it's all gonna lay down nicely. See that? Thin layer. With a fan on the wall, we should be ready in about 5 minutes. And the way I'll know that is to do this on the wall. If it sticks, you gotta wait a little longer. 7 minutes later, we're ready to hang. Oil-based primer again. Let it dry, put a fan on it, and there you have it. You don't see any of that mess that was here. I call it a cancer. Okay, thanks for watching.